All right, this is Math 208, Week 3, Section 3.1, plotting points on a graph and identifying their coordinates. All right, so we have been given this graph, and we are supposed to identify the coordinates for each of these 4 points and then put them in the list up here. So I'm going to zoom in, and I hope that doesn't confuse you a little bit. Okay, so the easiest one of them all is right here, because that's the origin, so that's 0, 0. Let's take a look at this one. Now remember, you've got to do the x-axis first, then the y-axis. And so it's always going to be an ordered pair, 2 numbers. And first we see that we went to the left 7, and then we went down 9. So that's going to be to the left 7 and down 9. So that's going to be -7, -9. Let's keep looking around here. Oh, let's take a look at this one. So that one, again, it's going to be an ordered pair. And we went to the left 7 and then up 9. So we went to the left 7 and up 9. So that becomes a positive 9 there instead. So -7, 9. And then let's take a look at this one way over here. Again, it's going to be an ordered pair. And we went, starting here, we went to the right 7 and up 9. So it's going to be +7, +9. And those are our ordered pairs. So what you're going to be asked to do up here is, in no particular order, you're going to have to write all the points. So, and then, but don't forget a comma, and then you're going to do 7, 9, comma, and then -7, 9, comma, and then -7, -9, comma. And so this is what you're going to be asked to type into this little box right there. More practice on the same concept, identifying the coordinates of each of these points. So this just gets a little tricky because they are using axes. They're putting points on the axes. So that means we're going to have some zeros. So let's do this one right here. So we go to the left 2, but we don't go up or down, so that's going to be -2, 0. And then here, it's going to go to the right 3, but we don't go up or down, so it's going to be 3, 0. And then here, let's do this one. So that one is going to be, again, it's ordered pair, so we know we're going to have 2 numbers. We don't go to the left or right, so that's going to be a 0, but we do go up 8, so that's, we don't go to the left or right, but we go up 8, so it's 0, 8. And then down here, there's our ordered pair. We don't go to the left or right, but we go down 5, so that's going to be 0, -5. And that is our 4 points that we're going to plot, or record, up here. So now they're doing it in reverse. Now they're giving us the ordered pairs, and we are supposed to put the points where they're supposed to go. So start with 0, 3. So 0, 3 means we don't go to the left or right, but we go up 3. So that's there, right there. So that's 0, 3. And then 4, -6 means we're going to go to the right 4, down 6. So that goes right there. So that is 4, -6. And then lastly, -7, -6. Well, that means we're going to go to the left 7, down 6. So to the left 7, and then down 6 right there. To the left 7, down 6. Now the other thing they wanted us to do is identify the quadrants that each of these are in. So remember, this is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. So we know that -7, -6 is in quadrant 3. We see that 4, -6 is in quadrant 4. But 0, 3 is in neither quadrant, so it's not in a quadrant. And so that's why we've got this little thing right here. So the directions say for us to make a scatter plot using these 1, 2, 3, 4 points. So let's get going on that. So 0, 0, super easy. And I'll do that in red. That goes right here, right at the origin. I'm going to label that 0, 0. And then we've got 5, 2. So 5, 2 is going to go right here. And I'm going to label that 5, 2. And then negative 7, 6. So that means to the left 7, up 6. So to the left 7, up 6. So that's going to be right there. So that's negative 7, 6. And then the last one, negative 4, negative 7. So negative 4 means to the left 4, and negative 7 means down 7. So negative 4, negative 7 is down, left 4, down 7. So we're going to put our dot right there. And that is our negative 4, negative 7. And that is your scatter plot. So here we're going to be doing another scatter plot for these 4 points. And I'm going to zoom out. And so the idea is right here, negative 1, 0. So that means we're going to go to the left 1, but we're not going to go up or down. So it's going to go right here. So there is our negative 1, 0. Then the next one is 1, negative 7. So that means we're going to go to the right 1 and down 7. So that's going to go right there. So that's 1, negative 7. Then we have 0, negative 5. So that 0 means we're not going to go to the left or right, but we're just going to go straight down 5. So that means it's going to go right there. I'm going to squeeze that in. 0, negative 5. And then the last one, 4, 8. They're both positive. So that means we're going to start at the origin. We're going to go to the right 4 and up 8. And so our dot is going to go right there at 4, 8. And there is our scatter plot. All right, more scatter plots. We're going to make a scatter plot with these points. Now we've got 7, 8. So 7, 8 means to the right 7 and then up 8. So 7, 8 puts us right about there. So that's 7, 8. And then negative 4, 3. To the left 4, up 3. So that's going to put us right here at negative 4, 3. And then we've got 0, negative 6. So that 0 says do not go to the left or the right. Just go straight down 6. So there's our negative 6. So 0, negative 6. And the last one, negative 9, 7, means we're going to go to the left 9 and then up 7. So that's going to put us, it's getting kind of tricky way over here. So there you go. There's our negative 9, 7. So we went to the left 9 and up 7. And that wraps up this video.